YouTube, we are at the yard. We got a long day today, y'all. We gotta hit 2 stops today. We gotta go to Dallas, then hit Anna, and then from there we're going to Wilmer to Stephenville, y'all. So we got a really great day today. And our other truck also had a route today, Dallas to Dallas. Then he hit Wilmer, and then he's going to Stephenville as well. So both trucks has 2 routes, y'all. And today is a $2,000 day. So this is such a great blessing, y'all. We really made some good money. We're gonna make some good money today. So we're gonna keep this up, y'all, and y'all stay tuned and just watch us work today. All right, what is good, YouTube? We are back at it again. Having a pretty good day today. We have to pick up in Dallas, where we at right now, and then we go to Anna, Texas to drop this off, and then we have another pickup in Wilmer and going to Stephenville. And our other truck also is on a route right now, and he's gonna meet us in Wilmer because we have both of our trucks picking up at Wilmer today and going to Stephenville, y'all. So today's gonna be a really good day. We're gonna make a big profit, so y'all stay tuned and watch us work. About to get ready to load up. We have 3 pallets that we're getting. Nay is preparing the truck.
Oh, that'll be a luxury. Each one about 3,000 ain't that crazy, you know?
Yeah, that's not too bad. I could even put them on the truck then, huh?
It saves your back, your back, and your legs and everything.
Dang. It's pretty cool. Guys, we are loaded up and about to head to Anna. Nay is just doing the last little strapping, and we're about to head out. See y'all in Anna, Texas. All right, YouTube, we are at the drop off in Anna, Texas. About to get unloaded, and then we gotta head to Wilmer, and that's about an hour drive, so it's gonna take us a minute to get there. We should be there about 10:30, and we gotta pick up and go to Stephenville. I don't even think I can see this, but I'm gonna try to go in. All right, y'all, we're taking this off right now. Baby. guys, we are done. We had 3 cases of alcohol beverages delivering to the goody goodies, and now it is unloaded and we are headed to Wilmer. Yeah, all right, y'all, we are in Wilmer, Texas. So our other truck is already here getting loaded up, and we over here waiting on him to move from the door 19 so we can bag in. It shouldn't take them long to load up, but as y'all can see, we have the same route and we're just gonna trail each other, and we gonna head back to Dallas, y'all. And like I told y'all, we always stay local, so this is about, how I say, 100 miles. It's really not bad. And then once we get to our drop off, it's gonna be like 70 miles from our yard, which is in Arlington. One of our yards is in Arlington, and the other one is gonna be about, I say, about 90 miles. We gotta drive a little farther to get to our yard, but y'all, this ain't no bad day. What is it, appliances? So we already got some boxes on here. I think they're freezers, and these are freezers as well. And we're gonna have to take it off when we get there. So they loading us up right now. All we do is gotta push it to the lift gate and they gonna take it. So we don't have to touch anything at the pickup location. So they loading us up, and we gonna pull in right there when our driver get loaded. So we gonna just trail each other and drop this off and head back to Dallas. And this is pretty local too. Like I told y'all, we don't really go far at all. So we stay local and be home every night, and you can't beat it. It's so great. It's a lot of freedom in it.
They said something about whatever else going on with y'all.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we are loaded up. We about to pull this one off the dock and pull the Hino in so we can get that one loaded, and we gonna head out. They didn't take too long to load us up, so we should be heading out in about 30 minutes, y'all. Y'all stay tuned with us. Okay, y'all, we about to get the Hino loaded up. YouTube, we are in Stephenville, Texas. Unloading the first truck now. Yeah. Work. But we getting it unloaded now. Once we get these little boxes out the way, it's gonna be pretty fast. YouTube. Yeah, you have to check us out.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you.
Will this be on it?
Yep. I'm gonna put this on it too. You wanna say something? You wanna give a little shout out? Nobody ever really wants to.
I'm not the owner. I'm not the owner.
Then you would, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people are camera shy. Y'all, we are done. Both trucks unloaded. About to head back to Dallas. What up, YouTube?
Keep on trucking.
Alright. So, alright, guys, we are back at the yard.
Done.
Done. We tired. It's like 4:30. Started at what? Like 8?
First stop was at 8. We got there at
So we started like
something.
8 o'clock. First stop was at 8 o'clock, and now it's 4:30. But y'all, we done made some good money today. Both trucks did well. So y'all, we out. We tired. It's hot out here. Better go home, take a shower, and just relax. So y'all, you know how we do. Peace and love.
And keep on trucking.